In some parts of the world, particularly in India, eggs are indeed considered to be meat, and some vegetarians will not eat them. Usually this is tied to religious practice, such as Hinduism. Vegetarian Hindus consider eggs to be meat and do not include them in their vegetarian diet. So, while most Westerners believe that eggs are vegetarian, many Easterners do not. This means that whether or not eggs are vegetarian is dependent on a cultural agreement. Vegetarians avoid eating dead animals, and while eggs are not dead animals, there's some debate as to whether or not vegetarians should avoid eating foods that require killing animals, even if they are still avoiding the animal flesh itself. For example, caviar eggs are obtained from slicing open fish stomachs and taking the eggs from inside the fish. The eggs themselves are vegetarian, but the animal must die to obtain them. Do chickens have to die to lay eggs? Well, no, not really. But the truth is, they do. Unless you're buying eggs from your next door neighbor and have seen the conditions of their farm, you are supporting industrialized factory farming, which kills millions of chickens while obtaining their eggs each year. If this is a concern for you, you will probably want to be fully vegan, and avoid milk and dairy products as well as eggs. But not to worry. There's plenty of ways to substitute eggs in cooking and baking, and it can be as simple as buying a commercial egg replacer. If you are eating more meatless meals to reduce your fat intake, or lower your cholesterol, eating eggs is not your best bet. The American Heart Association recommends that adults should eat no more than 4 eggs per week, while the Australian Heart Foundation is okay with up to 6 per week, but if you are trying to reduce your fat or cholesterol intake, it's best to eat fewer. Many vegetarian recipes don't need eggs, and, if you are looking for completely egg-free recipes, try browsing some healthy vegan recipes. The important thing is not whether or not a food item fits within your definition of vegetarian, but whether or not you feel that consuming food is morally justifiable. If you're trying to be kind to animals, you may want to explore going vegan. If you're eating vegetarian for your health, you'll likely find that you want to reduce the number of eggs you eat. So friends, now you must have better understood that why this occur. We hope that you have learned something new from this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.